Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudia. Today we're unboxing the Chanel wallet on chain as well as a Chanel card case together. I wanted to do an updated video on these two items, and I've been using the wallet on chain for almost a year now, and I want to give you my thoughts, and so let's get right into it. This is the Chanel wallet on chain. I am honestly obsessed with this bag because it is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. I mean, I cannot stop admiring this color. She's delicate, she's dainty, she's classy. I mean, she's just, she's beautiful. So this is what she looks like. She is a beautiful, beautiful beige color. She's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. When I first went to pick up this bag, they told me that this was the only one they had at the store, and I think it was the only one they had, like the only time Chanel had produced that color for the wallet on chain for that year. So as soon as I heard that, I was like, okay, we don't need black, we need to go with this color. And what I love about the wallet on chain is that it brings the little pockets here, so you can yourself put your cards right in here. You don't have to carry a wallet, a separate wallet, and then it has this pocket right here. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous color, such a classy bag. And I love that it has the strap. You can fold the strap here. This is how you can wear on your shoulders. She is such a beauty, super versatile as well. Small, not too heavy. This is the perfect bag for date night or brunch with the girls or a special event, a wedding, anything that you need to go to that you know is going to be where you're going to dress up and look beautiful. It's just such a dainty, classy bag. I love her so much. The only thing is you cannot fit an iPhone in here. You can fit a lipstick. You can put your wallets, your ID and things like that. You can maybe fit a mirror. Pretty much it. I love, 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 love Chanel. And this bag is just beautiful. And the color and everything, the detail, the stitching, everything. She is just, she's a dream. I do want to show you that I have the matching card case because it's just beautiful in itself. And if you're considering a wallet on chain, I definitely do recommend it because it's versatile, it's lightweight, it goes with everything and anything. You could wear it day to night, but do remember that you cannot fit too many things in here. I will make a what's in my wallet on chain video, so make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you can be notified when I create this video. But let me show you the matching card case. This beauty, I actually have not used her yet because I use my Louis Vuitton card case, but she is just, she's divine. I mean, look at that detail, look at that color. Beautiful piece. I'll hold them up together so you can see what they look like, but I am just in love with this color. Now, if only I can get a light pink color just as beautiful as this. It's on my wish list, it's on my dream list. But look, this is a beauty, a beauty, a beauty. So this is beige. Officially, the color's beige. I call it champagne, but that's her nickname, but it's beige. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one.